is it that you do?
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So as you guys can tell from the title, I am going to be decluttering and organizing our coat closet, and this is pretty much a junk closet. We just thrown things in here without a care, and it was just driving my husband and I both crazy. So I decided to go ahead and tackle this and clean it up, take everything out, and I did purchase a little organizer that I will be sharing in just a bit. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and get inspired to organize and declutter an area around your home today. Make sure to leave me a big thumbs up if you enjoy this type of content, and subscribe to my channel as well. I would love to have you be a part of my family here. And with all of that being said, let's jump right into it.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is
So this is the hanging closet organizer that I purchased at Target. I just wanted something that could pretty much store everything that was in here and maybe have room for other miscellaneous things. And I thought this would be a perfect addition. So I'm just going to be organizing everything in here, as you guys will see in just a bit. I will have this item linked down below in my description box if any of you guys are interested.
desire? I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on.
Alright you guys, so I cleaned the closet out and I started putting some of the little games that we have up here, but I'm just going to play around with this and just see what works best. I absolutely love how big it is. I didn't think it would be this big, but I'm thinking I can maybe store everything on this thing and I may not have to put anything on top. But we will see. I'm going to go ahead and get started. This is the aftermath over here. I have all the boys' kind of bigger toys, outdoor toys right here. They're kind of bulky, so I'm going to see what I do with those. And then just like gift bags and just other things that the baby carrier, umbrella, and other stuff. And then I have the jackets over there. So yeah, I'm just going to organize all of that.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
Alright you guys, so this is the aftermath of organizing and decluttering our coat closet, and it is a million times better. Had storage. This little organizer had room for everything, and I was able to declutter some of the items we don't really need here. This diaper bag, I put it in here and probably just make it like this so the other one that we have can fit in here as well. But yeah, I absolutely love how much more space we have. I decided to store the vacuum over here, and when I need to charge it, I'll just go ahead and charge it. And yeah, so much better. I love these little hooks on the side. This is what it also came with these. You can just hang up some hats. I put one of my purses that I use right now, and the boys' hats in the bottom. This is Noah's, and I have Aaron's on this side. So they have that on each side as well. And then I decided to hang the coats up over here. We don't really use coats right now, but these are kind of bulky, so I just decided to put them on this side. And if we have guests or anything like that, I put some extra hangers over here so they can hang up their coats. So yeah, super impressed, and great investment. Definitely recommend this little organizer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got inspired. Be sure to leave me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new here, and let me know what area in your home you plan to declutter if you are going to. I would love to know. And thank you guys so much for watching.